Good day to everyone. In today's video, we'll learn about test cases and test scenario. Test scenario, they are the high level requirement or they are the one line statement. It will tell us what we should do. One test scenario, it will be having multiple test cases. As a test engineer, our job would be to find out what are the problems that a user can face while using the product or a application. A test scenario, it will be having multiple of test cases. It will help us to determine the positive and negative project characteristics here. It will provide us an overview of what needs to be tested as a QA engineer. Main purpose of this test scenario is to check the entire system performance from end user point of view. As a test engineer, we need to put ourselves in the user's point of view or in the user's shoes and check how the application may behave. Now let us see what do you mean by test cases. Test cases, it means it is a document which covers all the possible test scenarios in order to test the application. Test case, it will tell us how to do the testing. One test case, it can have one test scenario, but it cannot have multiple test scenarios. Test cases are derived from the test scenarios itself. Now we'll see the examples for test scenario and test cases. We'll take an example of Amazon application and we'll write the test scenarios first and we'll write the test cases afterwards. First we'll write the test scenarios. First is verify login page. Next, verify username text field. Next is verify password text field. Then verify whether the Amazon logo, whether it is present in the login page or not. This is how the test scenarios are written. Now let us see how the test cases are written based on the test scenarios. First, we'll take the first test scenario, that is verify login page. Now we'll write the test cases for it. Test case 1, open the browser, enter the test URL, enter the valid username, enter the valid password, click on login button. Test case 2, open the browser, enter the URL, enter the invalid username, enter the valid password, click on login button. Test case 3, open the browser, enter the URL, enter the valid username, enter the invalid password, click on login button. Test case 4, open the browser, enter the test URL, enter the invalid username, enter the invalid password, click on login button. Test case 5, open the browser, enter the URL, enter the valid username, leave the password text field as blank, click on login button. Test case 6, open the browser, enter the test URL, leave the username text field blank, enter the password, click on login button. Test case 7, open the browser, enter the test URL, leave the username text field blank, leave the password text field also blank, click on login button. This is how the test cases are written based on the test scenarios. Here you may have observed that the test cases, it details the steps, data, prerequisites and post conditions necessary to verify the feature. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.